If you're controlling your printer remotely using Octoprint, it makes sense to be able to control the lights as well. Found the Octolight plugin is easy to set up and adds a good control button to the Octoprint screen. The setup requires four main things: install of the Octolight plugin, connecting the Pi to the relay with jumper cables, wiring the 5-volt power supply for the LED lights, and install of the LED lights. To install the Octolight plugin, search for it in the Octoprint's plugins and install it. It's only got one config setting, Pi pin number. Just leave it at the default value. For the enclosure for the Pi and the relay board, 3D print the enclosure. The STL file links are in the description. Then screw in the Pi and the relay board using M2 screws. Using 5 volts to power the lighting keeps things simple, and you can run the lights off a USB power supply. Cut a USB cable in the middle, strip the ends, and cut off the data wires so only the red and black are left. The USB cable's got to be long enough to reach from your 5-volt power supply to the lights via the relay enclosure. Feed the wires into the enclosure and solder the black wires together and insulate that with some heat shrink. Then connect the 2 red wires to the input and output of one of the relay switches. Then connect the relay board to the Pi with 4 jumper cables as shown in the diagram. This gives the relay board power and control from the Pi so you can switch the light on and off. Connect the USB cable to the LED light strip by soldering the red and black wires to the positive and negative connectors of the LED strip. Then insulate with some heat shrink. Then finally install your lighting where you like it. I put mine inside the door frame of the enclosure so it lights up the whole enclosure. Then give it a test. You might find that lights go on and off opposite to what you think, so you can flip the polarity in the config settings of Octolight. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next build.